Hello everyone, welcome back to Recruitment Update channel. I hope you all are doing great and learning well. So guys, before starting today's video, if you have not watched our previous videos in this SQL series, then I will recommend you to watch them first because all these videos are connected to each other. That's why I have attached all previous videos in the I button and the description box.
So let's start without any delay.
So in our previous videos, we have learned about comparison operators. But what if we want to apply multiple conditions together? For example, show me students whose age is greater than 20 and belongs to BCA, or show me students who belongs to BCA or BTech. So for such cases, our logical operators came into action, and we have three logical operators: and, or, and not, which we'll be going to learn in today's video. So we'll be starting with the logical operator and. So we'll start writing our query. So now schema name, student details. So here you must be wondering that I have not written the database name. Why so? Because I have already selected my database name here. And if you have already selected your database name here, then you don't need to write in the query again and again. So now let's move on with the condition where age is greater than 20 and student class equals to PCA. So we'll select this and execute. Here you can see we have three records. In this you can see the column age. Here all the age are greater than 20 and student class is BCA. So you can think of it as a real world example, like if you want to drive a car on road, then you need driving license and a car. And if one condition is missing, you cannot drive. Similarly, SQL returns record only when both of these conditions are true. So this is for AND operator. Now we'll move ahead with our OR operator. We'll do select, or I'll just copy it till here. Now there is a question. Suppose I want student who belongs to BCA or MSc or BTech. So for that, we'll be using our OR operator. Where student class equals to BCA and or student class equals to BTech. If I select this and execute, see, we have four records here where our student class belongs to BCA and BTech. Think of OR operator like tea or coffee. Any one option is acceptable. Suppose you went in a restaurant with your friend and your friend asked you, what would you like to have? You can answer in a way like you can have either tea or coffee. Similarly, it works here. It is either T, either BCA or BTech. If any one of these condition is true, it will return a result, unlike the AND condition or AND operator. Now we'll go ahead with our third operator, which is NOT operator. Again, we'll copy it till the table name. Now, suppose I want all students except BCA students. So how will I write that condition? We'll write where. Now not operator, not student class equals to LCA. If I select, then execute, see here two records where student class does not belongs to BCA. So here it has excluded the student class which belongs to BCA. So it is simply an opposite of other operators. That is all for our today logical operators learning. Here we have three operators. So now let's have a quick revision. Today we have learned AND operator where both conditions must be true, OR operator where any of the condition can be true, and NOT operator which returns the opposite result. So that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and comment. You can also connect with us through our Telegram channel and Instagram page. Your support motivates us to create content and continue this SQL journey. Thanks for watching. Take care, keep learning and keep growing. See you in the next video.